Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your HubSpot CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, HubSpot is used as a CRM. It's also used as a supplementary tool for online marketing or marketing campaigns in general. You can create your own website, landing pages, etc. You can also view analytics, create tasks, manage your business, manage some deals you might have, etc., etc. Now, it is a very useful tool, and one of the core components is the CRM. And once you create your account on HubSpot, you will be taken to this here page. This is your dashboard, and from here you can go ahead and start setting up your CRM. Now, the CRM tab is the second one from the top or the third one, depending on how you view it. And then once you get into CRM, you have a couple of different tabs. You have your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. These are your main things that you're going to be, worry about. Then you have your lists, your inbox, your calls, and your tasks. Now, the main thing is contacts, and you want to go into your contacts tab, and this is where you'll add all your business contacts you have. You can add them via forms, you can import them, you can create contacts manually. It all depends on what you're doing at the current moment. And then you fill out your list over here and just add all the contacts you need. You just click create a contact, enter all the information, and that should be it. Now, as you can see, it's separated into three tabs: all contacts, my contacts, and unassigned contacts. And this is something you get when you actually create your contact. You can add the contact owner just to manage it a bit easier, and that is the entire thing with the contacts tab. If we go into companies, this is pretty similar. This is just a list of all the companies you are working with, or that are your clients, or whose clients you are, etc., etc. It is very similar to the contacts page. You just need to enter the company information. You can again import them or create them manually, or get them through forms if you so choose, and you just need to fill this up however you want. Now, if we go into deals, this is where you'll find all your deals that are currently upcoming or have passed, or that you are currently actively pursuing, or that you plan on pursuing. And as you can see, pretty much the same thing, just a list. You just import or create deals that you want, enter all the information that is relevant, and that should be good. As you can see, they also have deal owners, so you can set yourself or another colleague up as an owner, and that is useful as well. You also have tickets, which are pretty much just a pipeline tool. You can enter your deals, enter new tickets depending on what the tickets are in regards to. They're pretty much tasks. You can put them through the pipeline, whether they're new leads, waiting on contact, you're waiting on them to contact you, or if they're waiting on you to contact them, and then the closed deals or leads. And that is pretty much how you do it. You just create a ticket, enter all the information that is relevant, and then pass it on through the pipeline depending on the stage it is currently at. You also have open tickets, unassigned tickets, and all tickets in the tabs options, and that is pretty much it. Now, lists, that here you can just manage your lists of anything pretty much that you have. These are supplementary tools to help you best use your CRM. You can create or import lists as well. Pretty much the same goes for your calls and tasks. Inbox is pretty much just your email inbox. You just get messages. Calls, you can organize calls with colleagues or with clients or with whoever you're working with a contract for. And tasks are pretty much used just to manage your business and manage your tasks as well as your tasks for colleagues. These are pretty much just for you, and you have the tabs to sort them by all tasks: due today, overdue, or upcoming. And you can also add views if you want. You can add custom views if you'd like. You can also create tasks or import them if you used another CRM management before. And that is basically all you need to do. Just add all of these necessary, things, pieces of information, so that you can use them to better manage your activities. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.